Position 1, we have Riara.
Riara Springs Girls High School emerged overall winner in the competitive original choral verse performances held at Pangani Girls High School, Nairobi.
We, the Riara Springs, present to you the Soaring. Welcome.
The school was triumphant at the Kenya Music Festival's zonal event, which drew participants from over 10 schools.
These children have a lot of talent. Some have talents in public speaking, some can play very good instruments, some can compose. The classes that are sponsored by Equity were very competitive. People put in a lot in it.
Enjoy Equity's elation, your partner in your progression. For you have made us la cream de la cream of Equity.
The competition was stiff, with each school showcasing artistic prowess and talent cleverly delivered to captivate the audience.
Equity, as a corporate member and a supporter of this festival, is known for what it has done for the community.
On #247, I am member number 1. Equity Bank is our shining star.
Riara Springs clinched the coveted title with their piece titled Equity, the Soaring Bird, a tribute highlighting Equity's transformative impact on the community.
Equity, this wing wanderer, the soaring bird, in heaven's wide dreams it does not far.
We are so proud that we can stand and be counted to be supporters of the glorious journey that Equity is involved in.
The school's performance eloquently illustrated Equity Group's journey from humble beginnings to global recognition, inspired by an unwavering commitment and duty to the members.
Equity!